Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video. We have some uncut mango chicken back. So guys, I'm gonna show you how me prepare my recipe Jamaican cooking lumberjack. So I have some uncut right here. You can see them fleshy, look good, presentation, quality, 100% uncut chicken back there guys. So I'm starting by showing an example. So I have a mango right there, some carrot, Irish, onion, pepper, scallion. So you know it's a mango chicken back guys. So starting by showing the recipe how I'm going to prepare my recipe. Now that update on the mango chicken butt guys and thing. So never showing one more time at the quality of the recipe guys. So them chicken butt flesh and pretty. Yeah, so we cut them up and thing and skin them off. Take off the waste of it when you don't really want it guys, right? Alright, so I have some seasoning blend up. I have enough powder season. So it's a secret spice guys, right? I have some cut up vegetable, onion, pepper, garlic, and thyme. Yeah guys, so I'm starting by mustard my chicken back and thing. I mustard it to make it season, soak in, so I squeeze it in right here, mustard it, eyes and thing, chicken back. I think the recipe eatable, tastable and not finished yet. So guys, the chicken back, I add some more spice and thing to the mango chicken back and thing guys. So I'm going to mustard it again. Yes, I go on myself and thing there. So the chicken back will stay for 4 hours. Right? Make it soak in a season right way. So cover it now, make it go and stay for 4 hours guys and thing. There. Another update, we have some flour and caramel right there. See pot and water go and boil up and thing guys. We have some scallion, garlic and thyme and the Isle of Hot and thing guys. Yes, I'm showing you recipe step by step. So we have some mango that's wash off, well wash off and cut up. Also, we have some carrot, banana and Irish right there guys. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. So guys, another update again. Some add some sugar, make the sugar burn, turn brownie. Normally the first time use the sugar we used to use, but we don't really want too much sugar because we don't want my chicken back taste on sweet, a little bit of sugar I use guys. So see that turn brown in there, I'm showing step by step. Yeah. So I'm going to add the mango skin in the pot, make it flavor it and taste. Guys, piece of garlic, piece of scallion also, and piece of thyme. That one fry for 5 minutes. Yeah. So I stir it, stir it. I want mango chicken back well flavor and nice. Guys, this is the way, the real authentic mango chicken back guys, right? So please try this recipe, leave a comment and tell me about this recipe guys. So I'm starting by turning my chicken back on the mango. I turn the mango and think I want the mango flavor to flavor the oil and thing. So put the chicken back to it, it just flavor and nice guys. The recipe tastable. Now that step again. Going to put the chicken back in it. Yeah. Yes guys, I'm putting the chicken back and thing. So I put in a little and I show everything one time that the splash up and burn me on my face. I put it in little guys and thing, yeah. Right. That this now. So I'm starting by cover it down. You go and stay for 1-2 minutes. Stir fry. So I'm starting by turning up mango chicken back and thing guys. This is the way it look. But don't watch it look there guys, they'll come perfect. So I stir fry it for 15 to 20 minutes first before I add no water to it and thing guys. Right, my flour down heat up and thing there. Water soon start boil up guys and thing. See banana. Some put a little oil in the water because I don't want banana turn black guys. So I'm starting by stirring up pot and thing. I don't want to itch up and burn up and thing guys. So you can see the quality of the mango chicken back, you can see the flavor. Yeah. So lumberjack there, I go on in the self and things. So we're starting by turning up chicken back, we are turning it up because we don't want to itch up. Don't watch you looking at guys. Because when this recipe done, you have to see the presentation. Yeah. So guys, see the recipe there now. So now cover it up. Okay, go and stay for the next 10 minutes before I add water and thing to it guys. So I'm going to add some ketchup and thing because you can see the quality, the difference. Yeah. Presentation of the recipe. So I add water to it and some ketchup to taste and flavor also. So guys, I put the carrot and the Irish everything in it. The one bubble down. Guys, remember I tenderize it for 20 minutes already and thing. So I'm showing the product, the recipe, step by step guys. Right? So this is the way we prepare the recipe. So also see the food pot and thing there guys, bubble up and thing. And see the mango chicken back there, you can see it. So I cover it, you go and cook. Because the mango, see the recipe, where it turn out to. what it look like. You can see the quality of the recipe, presentation guys and thing. That one simmer down and one thing guys. It's another update. I show you. It's a pretty delicious, finger licking, tastable. Guys, it's a recipe and nice. Please try the recipe, leave a comment and tell me about it guys. Remember to watch the video to the end. Like and share and comment guys. Remember Jamaican cooking, Lumberjack. Also, I have a new TikTok page and you can check it out, Jamaican cooking. Guys, it's a recipe and nice, eatable, tastable. So guys, in the idea, I turn it up and think I don't want the recipe to stick up in the pot. So you can see the mango, carrot, the Irish, chicken, but you can see the whole of the spice in the recipe guys. So you know, so I give it for the next 5 more minutes, come on, my gravy will come nice, but I don't want it too thick. So you can see guys. So I go on myself a pull up my chicken, but I taste some cookies guys and thing. I say guys, yeah. So you can see the gravy and mango there. See mango there well cooked and ready. Yes guys. So you know, say the chicken back ready. So I'm gonna take out my recipe and share it out. So you can see the presentation of the recipe and thing guys. Quality, tastable, eatable, delicious. So guys, I'm gonna clean off my pot cover. I don't know say godliness or godliness guys, right? So another update for the cook food and thing guys. So you know, say the recipe ready. Chicken back, mango chicken back ready and thing guys. Right, I'm gonna share the recipe and I'm gonna show you for the presentation, quality. So you don't know me, I stir up my chicken back. I love guys, I love stir up my recipe because I don't know mistakes, so I just add it to stir up my pot, right? Yeah. So guys, see the recipe they ready. Mango chicken back lettuce, banana, caramel dumpling. You can see the Irish, what are the spice them. Please remember to subscribe, like and share. So you know, see the recipe ready. Dinner time. Bye guys.